Good morning, YouTube. So, this is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and we are, I guess, on our mini vacay slash taking my son to college day, which is very hard. So, we dropped him off yesterday, and it was very hard. We're going to say goodbye today. But I just wanted to show you where we stay. This is the second time we've stayed at this place. It is part of our resort. It's not a resort. I'm sorry, I'm lying. I guess it kind of is a resort, but it is part of our timeshare. So I guess it saves us money at the moment, but it really does not ever save us money. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit kind of where we stay. So it makes it very convenient. This time it was just me, my husband, and my one son, but normally it's me, my husband, my 3 kids, sometimes my sister and her 2 children, not her husband because he is in Germany for right now. But so this is where we normally stay. We get different options. We can get a studio, we can get a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, they're all different. This is the first time, no, it might be the second time that we've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, which is a little bit inconvenient, but anyways. So this is the best part of it, guys, right here. We don't have to do the dishes. So that's amazing. But anyways, let me just show you real quick. So it comes with everything you need. So it has all of your like your knives and everything that you need. It has your dishwasher that if you're going to be here for multiple days, you can wash your own dishes. It has all that stuff that you need. Under here, it always has, let me see. So it always has like some dish soap, which is their brand that they use. Oh my gosh, a trial size. I'm going to take this one home with me. Sometimes I take home this stuff because they're so cute. And I'm going to take this one home. It's a mini scrub mommy. That's so cute. So anyways, then they have like the dish soaps. If you ever need more, if you're staying for longer, they will be more than happy to bring you some. So anyways, everything's down under the sink in this cute little thing. They have an extra thing of paper towels if you need it. So that is what's under here. That's the kitchen sink, guys. So then you get this little pack right here, and it always has like your coffee that you want, different kinds of coffee. It has your sugars. It has this little thing that my kids like, just the little lemonade, so that as soon as we get here, if we haven't gone to the store yet, which I always bring stuff, but it has a thing of lemonade we can make. Here is the cutest little salt and pepper shakers they give you, the coffee maker. Up in this cupboard is all of your dishes that you need. So again, that makes it so convenient when there's lots of us, because we don't have to eat out, which is so good. So here is all the dishes that you will need if you want to bake, which we do stay in these resorts normally around Christmas time, so we can all be together. And since my sister lives in El Paso, we kind of meet in the middle. So we do a lot of baking. So there's that. Here's all of the pans that you will need. They put those under there. Let's make the turn here. All of the cooking stuff that you will need. This is like a necessity for my sister. This is the wine opener, I believe. Yes, that's a necessity for my sister on every trip. She loves that they bring those. More paper towels, toaster, guys. Up in here is all the glassware that you need. Again, my sister loves the fact that they give those. So anyways, there's that. There is a full stove and oven, you guys, so that you can do all of your cooking here. Again, it is the biggest money saver ever. So then there's our microwave. Hey guys. So you're not seeing me because it is pretty early for me, and I am not trying to do any makeup or anything right now. So anyways, here's just the plain fridge. They have this already getting cold for you, so when you get the lemonade, I love that idea. And then just the freezer, so it's pretty awesome. I love that they give you this so that you can, when you fill these and put them in there, then you can refill those, because we really do use a lot of ice. This is one of the things I absolutely love. They actually have a dining room, so we can all sit together and eat. I love that idea. So anyways, here's our dining room, my little headphones, a necessity when I travel. So this is like the kitchen area. It has the bar right there that I love. There we go. So this is the first time that we stayed in this exact room, but the second time that we have stayed in this resort. It's Dolphins Cove in Anaheim, California. The last time we stayed here, we were going to Disneyland, and it was in October. There's my husband checking to make sure I didn't forget anything. I didn't, guys. We were only here for 2 nights. So here's the living room area. That does pull out into a bed, but we didn't need it. So there's the TV. It has the couch where we can all sit together and do things. I love the light. It has the USB and a plug-in, so you don't have to try to dig behind the couch or find extra plug-ins for everyone if they're out here. I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite parts. So that's the other lamp that's also like that. Hope I'm not making you guys sick. But this is the best part. So then you can come out on the patio. So this, guys, is Anaheim early in the morning. So you can sit out here, have your coffee, do whatever you have to do. Very cute. So this is one of my favorite parts. Most of their rooms, actually I think all of their rooms do have balconies, or outside if you're on the bottom floor. So that's my favorite part. I'm sad that we didn't get to stay very long and utilize the room very much because we were dropping my son off at college. My husband's trying to get back out of the video again. He made the U-turn fast. So every room has their own little air conditioner, which kind of sucks because when I bring mine down, that could mean that my son is like, that's too cold, and so he brings it up, which sucks. So this is one of the rooms, and it has 2 twin beds, which I like. The lamp is the same as the other ones. And then you have the TV in there with the dresser and the full closet with extra sheets and blankets and everything if you need them. So then there's one of the beds. Say hi again. He's really trying to avoid the camera, but what am I supposed to do? So anyways, sorry. Here's the second room. This is the master bedroom, I guess, but normally this has a bathroom attached to it, and this room it did not. But we were not staying for very long, and there was only 3 of us, so it wasn't a big deal. So it always comes with some little fan, which we always have to have because we have it at home. And then here is this area, the TV and the dresser. So I was going to do this the day we got here, but we were just so busy and exhausted from the 7-hour drive and then getting my son ready. So the bed is obviously not made because we're getting ready to leave. And I was going, okay, so the reason I'm not having you guys up right now is because it was on